Hi guys, good morning. Another day here in Japan. Today we are heading to Tokyo. Time check, it's already 9:15. And yung train natin guys, nakabook tayo for 10:30 na trip. So yes, we're excited. Everyone's getting ready. Guys, andito na kami sa Tokyo Station, Kyoto Station. Tingnan niyo kung gaano kadaming tao. Very busy.
We're riding the
21. We're just waiting for our train, guys. Ano tayo? Sa car number 8, sakay tayo green car. Green car yung tinatawag. We are seated. Going forward then. Oh, we're going. Go quick. Okay. Bilis naman.
May table sa kilid.
Anyway, hopefully guys, this is actually their first class seat. And may chance tayo na makakita ng Mount Fuji if ever hindi lang siya cloudy. So, fingers crossed. We have to order some food and drinks kasi hindi tayo nag-breakfast guys. Diretso tayo dito sa train. Yogurt, sir? Ah, okay naman there.
So, Dramander?
So, if drive nyo pala guys, Kyoto to Tokyo, it's gonna be 11 hours. Imagine. Pero, pag train, etong train na to, sinasakyan namin 2 hours lang. Ganun siya kabilis. I ordered some coffee. Tapos, yun nga, some snacks. Ayun na lang. Guys, nandito na tayo sa Shinjuku. Daming tao. ano na lang sa Shibuya nito later. Such a cutie froggy. Guys, let's eat. Kain muna tayo. Wala pa tayong lunch.
Is it good? Good.
Guys, andito tayo sa GU. Magkakompetensya ako. Wait muna. Basta andito tayo sa GU, guys. Ang mura lang dito, guys. You should check it out if you come here.
Sir, magkaabot mo ka 5'5". I think what?
Kadugayan.
Nakaabot ako 55?
Nakit na.
Ako, I don't think so. Pika, pika, Pikachu.
Mika.
Yeah,
Pikachu na lang siguro.
Ang cute-cute nila, oh. Charizard. Where's Charizard? Where you at there?
Wala. Ay, I know.
Turtle? Hello. Iniwan pala namin yung mga luggage namin dito, guys. Coin lockers. Makikita nyo lang sila kahit saan. Kahit saan talaga sa mga station. And very easy to operate lang. Yan. Yan. Open na. $6 lang, guys. Or 600 yen. 900 yung malaki pala. Ayan. That's it! Here's our accommodation, guys. Andito na pala tayo. We are in Shinjuku. Dito tayo magsistay. Asang uban suga, day? Yan. So, this is the first room. Diretso.
Which is the living room.
The living room. Pero okay lang siya. Okay lang yung space. Malaki. And then, we have the fridge. We have a mini kitchen. We have another room here. Uy! Michelle, do you want to stay here? Ari lang ta, girl. Okay.
Masara ang toilet, sir.
Ari na lang guruta ka. Or sa ba? This is the toilet. Ayan. Ano pa dito? Wala na. Isa lang yung, ano? Okay, ito na accommodation, guys, because it's in the heart of Shinjuku. Maliit to siya na apartment. Merong anuhan dito, ah. Ooh, okay. Ito yung labas. Nothing special sa labas, but if you think about it, malalakad mo lang yung mga, like that, subway. Across tayo ng subway. Guys, we're here in Shibuya. As usual, ang dami pa rin tao. As in, flood of people. Whee!
shared from before?
No, wala
Oh,
lang.
really?
Tatanaan na to. So, meron palang share lounge dito, guys.
Yeah, it's really-
Just above Starbucks. Makikita nyo agad if andito kayo. Tapos, ito na yung view. Kita nyo na yung Shibuya Crossing.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of
Ayan.
mine,
Ooh.
how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. Yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people. This is city I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every brick. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. Oh, you most.
Punta muna tayo sa food area, guys.
Sige
Bukan
po,
tayo
sa
ng
food?
pagkain. Kasi included yung food dito.
Wala rin mo ba, no?
Wala naman siguro, yeah.
Coffee na to, sir.
Just snacks yung andito. They have soft serve ice cream. Yeah, wala na. This is alcoholic drinks. Okay. Chuan. Limited to 2 items. This is our snack.
Barbecue.
We have iced coffee na caramel. Nilagyan namin ng ice cream. Look.
Except sa warm. Ay, sa hot food.
Sure.
You can
Tab.
Oh, it's like this.
Can you tell me how much you need? Alright, hold on.
Kain tayo ng lumpia, Shanghai. Parang lumpia lang talaga.
Junk food na lumpia.
More snacks. Very cute. How is it?
Feel comfortable? Been a winner?
Winner? Winner chicken dinner?
Lord, look at them. Kasi here,
That's the winner!
I'll take your legs. There it is. Kanina pa pala tayo dito sa accommodation, guys. Anyway, ano pala guys, na-overwhelm talaga ako sa Shinjuku. It's not my first time naman. Pero, why are you visiting our room? What is the meaning of this? Where is my Gio?
Ay.
na masangil lang. Kitay ng mukha.
So what?
Dili, wait.
Yan, Gio.
I might have left it here.
Una na ako dahil rin na masangil lang. Kitay nagkuha rin.
Where is my Gio?
Hoy, where is your Gio? Sir, asa mo niyo gibilin? Oh my God! Baka ga-joke? Ang shopping ni Sir nawawala. Tinood ka? Basta
I know
nasa
where it
likod.
is.
Nasa
I
likod.
know.
Imong gibutang sa imong ano.
It's here. Guys, bloopers talaga to si Zar. Anyway, asa na ba yung chika ko? So, overwhelmed talaga ako doon sa Shinjuku, guys. Today, Saturday din kasi. Ang daming ganap talaga at ang dami-daming tao na wala kanilang ibang gagawin kundi tumingin na lang talaga sa kanila. And, hindi na ako magsabi ng details kasi parang ang tsaka pakinggan. Pero yun nga, daming mga babae sa gilid-gilid, ang dami. Basta ang dami-dami na para bang it really sparks your interest ba? Ano ginagawa nila? Mga ganun-ganun. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Tingin-tingin lang ako doon. Tapos, of course, ang dami pang open na stores. Chine-check din namin yung mga drugstores doon. Meron din pinapabili si ate. So, inaano ko pa, sinascout ko pa kung ano yung store yung pinakamura. Meron siyang pinabili sa akin. Hindi ko nga alam para ano yun. Pero, I think it's a mask. Siguro sikat yun. So, ayun, tomorrow is gonna be another day, guys. Oh my God, tomorrow is exciting. I'm a little bit anxious kasi magma-Mario Kart tayo bukas. So. Anyway, it's resting time kasi medyo pagoda na naman tayo kasi galing tayo ng Kyoto. Pero our trip coming here, hindi talaga siya stressful, guys, kasi naka first class tayo. Tapos yung luggage pa natin, pinasend pa natin na kukunin namin bukas. So, hindi siya isi-send dito because this accommodation is an apartment. Pero if hotel to hotel sana yun, wala talagang hassle. So bukas, kukunin namin siya sa Yamato Transport na nagda-drop off ng mga luggage. Doon namin kukunin. I'm just gonna say good night, guys. Thank you so much and hope to see you guys on my next one. Or hope to see you tomorrow.
Hindi kasi malaki no, mag-Elmo in Disney Sea.